Alright, well, my spindle mount package came in, so I got distracted from the VFD enclosure, which remains unfinished. And I'm going to mount the spindle. So, here's all the parts. Got the backing plate mounted, and we'll keep marching on here. Spindle mount. I am not sure about the height of this thing. I guess it'll certainly depend on my spoil board and how high that is. But that's adjustable, so I can move that to mount up and down. So, another step in the process. Thanks for watching. So, continuing with the VFD enclosure, installed a little cooling fan and some cross ventilation. Alright, I got some fittings and the VFD mounted in the enclosure. And the exhaust fan, cooling fan. Almost ready to mount it on the machine. Get this thing fired up. Can't wait. Alright, well, I got it back on the machine. Looks like that's going to be a good spot for it. I'm going to run some wire now. And hopefully get this mother powered up in the next few hours. Alright. Wiring is done. I combined all the grounds. They call that a star grounding. But it all looks fine. Almost ready to turn it on. Alright, everything is completely wired up. Now, time to power it up for the first time. Big moment. There it is. Blinking lights. Good sign. Time to program. Wish me luck. I'll be back in a few. Okay, so what I'm doing here today is I'm rewiring my limit switches, because although I used shielded cable when I installed them, I did not connect the drain wires on the shield from switch to switch and ultimately ground the whole system. These switches are in series, and I was getting a lot of errors and emergency stop signals from the spindle. And going back, looking at my shielding, it was not contiguous from switch to switch. So I've harvested the drain wires out of each wire. I'm going to connect them separately from the actual power connectors of the cables. So I think that's going to solve the problem, or at least I hope it will. And I'll give you an update later. Thanks. So here's a close-up of what I'm doing. Harvesting the drain wires from each side of the limit switch and combining them, wrapping them around the foil shielding. So it is separate from the conductors, but this will be grounded separately at the controller, and hopefully eliminate the error messages and the error emergency stops that I'm getting. Should have did this in the beginning. It's a learning process. Alright, wish me luck. Okay, well, so far so good. Just running the Spindle program, looking for e-stops, limit switch triggers. I grounded everything, and looks like it's running okay. So we'll keep running programs and see if it remains stable, and I'll get a spoil board on this and start cutting some wood pretty soon. Thanks for watching.